there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of Samsung and its latest ventures, from earbuds to smartphones and even a glimpse into the future of foldable devices. Get ready for a wild ride as we explore the latest news and my personal take on it all. First up, Samsung is taking a unique approach to retail with its Galaxy Buds Custom Lab in South Korea. Imagine walking into a store and designing your own earbuds. It's like a fun, personalized art project, but with a tech twist. Visitors can get creative with stickers and patterns, truly making their Galaxy Buds for their own. And the best part? Even if you don't own the earbuds, you can still join in on the fun and customize an acrylic model. It's a brilliant way to engage customers and tap into a cultural trend that's all about expressing individuality. Now, here's an interesting twist. Despite the success of the Galaxy S26, Samsung's mobile division is in emergency mode. How can a hit product lead to such a situation? Well, it's all about the memory prices. A massive surge in memory costs has put a strain on Samsung's mobile division, even with the impressive sales of the S26. It's a reminder that even with vertical integration, market swings can impact different divisions within a company. It's a fascinating insight into the complex world of business and technology. Speaking of the Galaxy S26, let's talk about that wild orange color rumor. The Galaxy S series has always been a hotbed of rumors, and this one was a doozy. The speculation that Samsung would launch an orange S26 Ultra gained momentum after the release of the iPhone 17 Pro with its beautiful orange color. It's a classic case of one company influencing another, and it's fascinating to see how these decisions can shape the market. In the end, Samsung didn't go with the orange, but the rumor mill certainly had its fun. And now, a glimpse into the future of foldables. Samsung is reportedly working on a Galaxy Wide Fold, a passport-style foldable phone. With a 7.6-inch screen and the latest Snapdragon chip, it's set to be a powerhouse. This leak hints at Samsung's continued innovation in the foldable space, especially with competition heating up from Huawei and other Chinese brands. And let's not forget the potential entry of Apple into the foldable game. It's an exciting time for foldable technology, and Samsung seems to be leading the charge. Lastly, Samsung teamed up with Indian YouTuber Kariminati for a campaign promoting the Galaxy S26 Ultra's privacy display feature. It's a clever move by Samsung to tap into the massive Indian market and the popularity of Kariminati among Gen Z and the youth. The video showcases the feature in a fun, relatable way, and it's a great example of how brands can effectively collaborate with influencers to reach their target audience. So, there you have it, folks. Samsung is keeping us on our toes with its latest ventures, from customizable earbuds to foldable phones and influencer campaigns. It's a reminder that technology is not just about specs and features, it's about the experiences and stories we create with it. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Closing thoughts, a personal reflection on the impact of technology and the role of consumers in shaping the market.